Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video and spending some time with me. I'm super excited to share with you these DIYs using some random stuff that you can just go walk through Dollar Tree and try to pick out some different items that you wouldn't, normally pick for some DIYs. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's DIYs. Let's go ahead and jump in nice and easy. I'm gonna take one of their plastic plates that is from their party section, and they do come in a pack of, I believe, 6 or 10. And I want to also take this paper roll. This one is really nice and hard and sturdy. I think this was from some wrapping paper that I had, and I wanted to cut that in half because it was too big. And once that was cut in half, I'm gonna attach it to the plate using the hot glue, just pressing it really nice and tight. And then I'm also gonna add some more hot glue around just to make sure it's nice and stuck on. And you don't have to worry about that hot glue seeping, showing, because we are going to cover this entire thing using this car rag. And you just saw from the clip there in the beginning, this is from their car section where they have all their car stuff, and usually it's where they keep the paint stuff as well, like paint brushes and stuff like that. So I decided to pick these up, and I wanted to wrap this around this entire thing. I'm just focusing on the bottom first, which is the plates, and I placed it underneath the plate and I'm wrapping it over top because I want the entire plate to be covered on the top and bottom. So you can see I'm just wrapping it around here, and I'm just going to continue going until it's nicely wrapped. And whenever I need to cut off any excess of it, then I'll cut it off, because it is a bit too big to wrap onto here, and you don't want it to look, baggy or anything like that. Of course, you are going to have some creases, and that's fine. I don't worry about that because you are going to get that. But as long as you try your best to not get too much excess onto the surface. You can see now I am just cutting off this big piece here so I can finish off wrapping the bottom part. And I do start with the bottom part because it will be just easier to do the bottom and then work at the top. And you can see how it looks once the bottom is all finished, and it doesn't look too bad. It's nice and tightly on there. And now we're going to work on the top part. I'm going to take the same rag and wrap it around. Now for this part, you really want to get it nice and tight and really stretch it so it can be nice and flushed to that paper roll. The reason being is because if this looks baggy, I don't think it'll look that good. You want it to look nice and professional and clean, so try to tighten it up as much as you can, wrapping it around. And I am using my hot glue gun for the entire thing because the hot glue actually does stick really well to the fabric, so you are good to go with the hot glue. And you can see here I'm just wrapping it around nice and tightly, and this is a bit too big, this piece here, so I am gonna have to cut it down. Once I do cut down the excess, I am going to finish it off right there on this edge and just simply pull it nice and tight so it can stay nice and stuck on. And now you can see it's coming together, and trust the process. This is a really nice functional DIY that I thought to make because I, for one, love scrunchies, and I love them for my daughter when I do her hair. I love them for myself, and I thought this would be a neat idea, a neat DIY to organize your scrunchies. And yeah, so now I'm just going around with this strip here at the bottom. This is the final step. I just thought it would make it look more clean than having those edges, unfinished at the bottom. So I wrapped that around, and you can see just how simple this was to make, and look how nice it looks when you organize your scrunchies. Now, this is not all of my scrunchies. I do have to put them all on here, but honestly, I think I would need about 2 or 3 of these. That's how much I love scrunchies for my daughter's hair. I just think they look so pretty on the hair, and I love how it looks. So let me know what you think of this DIY. I think it's super easy to come together, and if you didn't have a gift wrap roll to make the top part, you can definitely use paper, toilet paper rolls if you have it, or even paper towel rolls. That will work as well, and I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think. Next up, I have here two of their Valentine heart signs. I've had these for a couple years, but they do bring them out every year for Valentine's Day. And I thought to make something different with these rather than just have them as they are for everyday home decor. So I'm going to take the both of them, and I'm going to take some of these beads, and I'm just going to add a line of hot glue and quickly add them onto that hot glue just to make it, go faster and quicker. But as I am attaching the beads on here, I'm not going to go all the way around the heart. I want to leave the top part of it open, and you'll see why once it's done. But we're going to do the same thing to the other side, just like this with our hot glue gun. And again, leaving that top part open, and just try to do it as quick as you can. If you don't like, repetitive things, or, you get bored quick, you just put a line of hot glue and quickly add them there onto that line of hot glue, and it is fast and ready to go. And then once all of that is on, and you can see I have that top part open, I am going to attach the second heart onto the top of this, and I'm going to do that with the hot glue gun. So I'm just adding a line all the way around on top of those beads, and I'm just simply going to press that heart right on top. Make sure it's nice and tight, and make sure you do put enough hot glue onto the beads so that way it can really stick, because some of it might go inside of the little nooks and crannies of the beads. So just make sure you get a nice amount and press that down really well, as you see me doing right here. And you can see how it's open right there in the top there, and that looks really nice. And then I just took it outside, gave it a all over coat of some black spray paint, and then I added some greenery, as you can see there. Super simple, and ends up turning really beautiful, and I love it. Something different than what you would, you don't have to have it out for Valentine's Day or any specific occasion like that. You can just have it for regular home decor, and I love it. I know I would love to sit this in my home decor all season, all year round, because I do think it ties in all year round with the black and the greenery. And you don't have to put greenery inside at the top there. It's completely up to you. You can sometimes take them out or put them in, and that's what's good about having it open at the top. And I really love it. Came together super quick and easy, and turns out beautiful. Let me know what you think of this one. Stop right there if you are a small business owner or a crafter, or you have kids or grandkids. Either one, this sponsorship is for you. This collaboration, I am coming together with Glowblend to show you these awesome things that you can get off of their website. You can see here I have a variety of different things. These are some stickers. These are the new ones in the pack. This is it open. You can see how beautiful those are with the, hold on, can you focus? Okay, now you can see it. Handmade with love. I really love these because I do crafting and I do home decor. Everything is handmade, so whenever I do gift them away or something like that, I can put these on there. So I did grab those along with these lemon ones because I thought these would be super cute for some summer crafts or lemon crafts, DIYs, or just for anything really. And I really love all the different patterns. And then I also grabbed this one that says thank you. And don't mind the roosters in the background. You guys know the deal by now. But these are the thank you with the gold heart, and they are super cute. And then I also have, I also picked these up for my daughter because she loves diamond art painting. If you don't know what that is where it's where you take these templates and then you take the diamonds that come with it and you put them color by color. It's really nice to have, and especially if you have kids or grandkids, they would absolutely love this. My daughter has made all of these already so far. She really does love making these, and I love these because they are small, so you can just peel them off once you're done and place them wherever in their journals or wherever, you know, for school, stuff like that. And that's really cute. And then also I picked up these wax seal stamp heads right here. This one says Merry Christmas. Again, I'm just trying to focus it. You can see right there. And I picked those up because I think they are super cute, and I love to use these the wax seal stamps. I think they are super nice for sending out letters and for stuff like that. So the link to their website and everything like that, and everything that I got, in case you want to pick something up that I got, is going to be in the description box below. So make sure you check that out and you enter the code Mia10 for 10% off, because that will give you some money off of your order. You can see how beautiful their ribbons are. They have a ton of stuff to choose from, and I know you're going to love it, and you're gonna want some stuff from here if you're a crafter and love to make your home decor. So go ahead and check them out. Links in the description box below. Moving along now to the third DIY, I have here 2 of these 4x6 frames. These are really nice and gold and glittery, so I love that because I love how they are on its own. So we're gonna remove the backing from both of them, take everything out. You can see my reflection there. And now I'm gonna go in and I want to fill this in with this paper, the scrapbook paper. I like the pattern on it of the shiplap wood look. So I'm just going to trace that glass so I can get the exact size, and we're going to cut that out. We're gonna do the same thing for both of the frames. And we're going to cut that out and we're going to place it inside of that frame, well, both of the frames, just like that. And I'm going to add the backing in. It did come with a border inside, but I don't want to use that. You can if you want. I just think it looks better without it. So now once we do that to both of the frames, I am going to add both of the backings and everything, and I do rip off the stands because we're not going to be needing that, and it's going to take up some space that I need there on the corner, because we're going to add these Jenga blocks right here on all 4 of the corners, and I'm just using my hot glue gun to place those down. And this is just going to create a space, kind of what we did in the previous DIY with the heart, just to make a space, a little opening. But I don't want this to be open. I just want it to be bigger or thicker, if that makes sense, for this tray or stand that we're making here. So once we add the Jenga blocks on, well, tower tumbling blocks as they call them in Dollar Tree, I'm going to place those down and then add the second frame right on top, just like this, just making sure I can get it really nice and even and it's not overlapping anywhere on any of the corners. And I'm also going to add some legs. So these were some blocks that I've had here just laying around, so I decided to use them for the legs, but you can use whatever you would like for the legs for this project and it will be perfectly fine. Once we have those legs, I'm going to take this faux leather ribbon from Dollar Tree and I'm going to wrap it around the whole edging of this piece, and this is going to cover up that opening so it's not going to, you know, look weird or anything like that. It's going to look nice and cohesive, and you can do this with any ribbon that you would like in your taste. Just go to Dollar Tree and see what ribbons they have out. I know they always put out new ones as well, but I thought to go with this faux leather so that way it can look nice and clean and just sleek looking, as we are using glittery gold and, you know, that wood background there. I thought it would go really nicely. Once we are done adding that, that was it for this DIY. And once again, I absolutely love how it turned out. You can see you can place down some florals with the vase there, or you can use it to place down your candle, whatever you would like this to be for. I think it is super cute and I love it. Let me know what you think, and my friend, let me know which one was your favorite from today. I know these were super easy DIYs, but I wanted to give you some ideas to make using some random stuff at Dollar Tree. So let me know what you think and which one was your favorite. And if you've enjoyed today's DIYs, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, because it does help out my channel and it is truly appreciated. And do consider hitting that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family. I would love to have you, and I would love for you to stick around a while. So hit that subscribe button, share this video with your family and friends, all of the above, and I truly appreciate it and thank you. And don't forget to check out Glowblend. Their links will be in my description box below, and I will see you all on the next one. Take care and God bless. Bye.